those other bears are just standing there.
Butt to the wind. Yep.
This is so handsome. I thought she was really gonna kick him that time.
She pulls it.
I know she does, but
They both do. You know how they get they rear up and they bring their feet back. You know. Like, I'm not
they're
really
just having a good time.
We're not really hurting each other.
$23 for that sweatshirt.
That's not bad at all.
Isn't it the best sweatshirt for Heather?
That is perfect.
Is it the best sweatshirt for Shonda?
I've never been in Shonda's house. I was thinking of your room.
Shonda cleans her house.
Yeah.
She cleans everything. She's just
She
like
cleans
there.
everything.
But it's perfect for you. But that was a lark. That was actually in the girls section.
Yeah, we were in the guys.
Yeah, we weren't even gonna look over there that much.
Wait, right here. Hey, Daddy! Got it! That's one of my boxes.
I can't believe she hasn't bitten him back. Maybe she bit him hard first.
From when he bit her on her butt.
Yeah.
I mean, that was a
That was a bite.
That was a
Made
bite.
my butt hurt.
Where's Bear at, Brad?
Wouldn't hurt those old girls to do it a little bit either.
Yeah, see what's the. I mean, sure, Appy's just as much running around as the young boys.
But he's a boy.
Yeah.
Yeah,